I'm Mike Wood. I'm Professor of Applied Ecology here at the University of Salford. My main research focus is pollution and its impacts on humans and the environment. So that work really is great because it has this wide-ranging impact. It doesn't just impact particular international organisations, it doesn't just impact locally in Chernobyl, for example. It affects every country where they use nuclear power, where they use nuclear medicine, where they need to be able to undertake assessments of any potential impacts. When I started working in Chernobyl, it was fascinating talking to people about the work that I was doing. And it's really interesting to see the way in which our work is not only changing international policy, practice and regulation, but is also changing the perception, the general public view of radioactivity and its impacts.